Hi everyone, good morning. This is Mr. PJ Titus from Salem classes. So, students, today we will discuss exercise part of chapter number 3.1, God's Greatest Gift. It is for 7th class, Communicative English. Already I uploaded video lecture, question answer, and also HOTS. If you couldn't see that, so I request you to watch. You can get that from the playlist of class 7th communicative English. Okay, so before entering to this video lecture, I would like to request you, if newly you are visiting my channel, so please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. At the same time, forward it to your friends and your classmates. If you need any help, so you can make a comment. Okay, so listen very carefully because some spelling may be missed. Either the writing is not good for you. Okay, so that is why first of all you have to listen it, then you have to write. So let us begin. You see, complete each sentence with the correct form of the word in brackets. You must see each line, there is a word in the bracket. We have to change according to the sentence. Okay, so let's begin. Something is very harmful to health. Smoking is very harmful to health. Okay, instead of harm, you can write harmful. He has made a wonderful success in his business. So instead of wonder, you can write here wonderful. In addition to wood, trees give us many other materials. Okay, instead of add, you may write addition. It is our duty to serve our parents in their old age. Instead of service, you can write here serve. Okay. Children are dependent on their parents for all their needs. Okay. So instead of depend, you have to write depending. Cattle dung is necessary to maintain the fertility of soil. Okay, instead of fertile, you have to write here fertility. It is good to breathe in fresh country air instead of city smoke. I don't think there is any record of changing it. Okay, so it may be BEARTHE. Okay, you can change it. Somehow I missed. He is constant, disturbing me, and does not let me study in peace. Instead of writing constant, you can write here constantly. Okay, now match the word with their meaning. Left hand side, you can see some words are there, and right hand side, there are meaning of the word. Okay, according to the number, you can match. A starch, white, tasteless food substance or carbohydrates. Okay, ancient, you may see very old, belonging to time long past. Damage, loss of value, attractiveness or usefulness. Okay. Maintain, keep something at the same level or standard. Purpose, thing that one intends to do or get. Condense, things that one change from gas or vapor to a liquid. Okay, so here are also you have to change it, and you may see that match the underlined words in each sentence with the word in the box that have nearly the same meaning. Like used up means finished, do means tie up. Okay, do means करना होता है. So here there is a shoes less, so that is why it is required to write a tie up. Okay, out of the question. So the similar meaning is according to the sentence impossible. Protect, save. Why? The reason. Besides, in addition to. Okay, next one. Various, many different. Atmosphere, air. Okay, so there is no need to read full line. Okay, next one is you can see them, then you feel. Okay, very slowly I would like to scroll up. Okay, you see the left side to right side upon, again left side for, and the right side about. Okay, the left side with. There is no more time to explain them. So if you want to fill the book, that you can fill your book. Now, here you see who is this letter for. ये चिट्ठी किसके लिए है. Who is she writing for? वो किसके लिए चिट्ठी लिख रही है. What is she talking about? वो किसके बारे में बात कर रही है. What is butter made? बटर किससे बना है. Who are they laughing? वो किसकी ओर हंस रहे हैं. Which year was he born on? वो कौन से साल में जन्म हुआ है. What town do you come from? आप कौन से शहर से आते हो. What train are you going to? कौन सी ट्रेन में आप जाओगे. So these are the Hindi translation, because you need to understand that. That is why little bit Hindi I used here. Then next page, you see the preposition for, before, after, during, while. Okay, fully it is explained that when there is during. Okay, during plus noun, यानी during के साथ noun का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. while प्लस verb के साथ, while के साथ verb का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, जो यहाँ पे किया हुआ है. Okay, so you need to hear it very clearly. Okay, I stayed in Delhi for 6 days. I brush my teeth after every meal. I fell out of bed while I was sleeping. While, WHILE. We felt very bored during the lesson. लेसन के समय पर हमें बहुत बोर फीलिंग हुआ. I don't usually watch TV during the day. The birds flew to their nests before sunset. यानी सूर्योदय से पहले बर्ड्स अपने बसेरा में आ जाते हैं. The film was boring. We left before interval. Okay, sorry, after interval. Do you watch TV while you are having dinner? क्या आप टीवी देखते हो जबकि आप डिनर कर रहे होते हो? शी लिव्ड विथ हर पेरेंट्स बिफोर हर मैरिज. कोई भी लड़की मैरिज से पहले अपने माँ बाप के घर पे ही रहते हैं. Yesterday evening, I watched TV for 3 hours. Okay, so students, you have to take a screenshot. Okay, this. Then after you can write it. Present works is are working, has have worked, has or have been working, past worked, was or were working, had worked. Sorry, I wrote here work, but you need to write here had worked, had been working. Future will work, will be working, will have worked, will have been working. So these are the exercise. Okay, if you need any requirement, so please remember me through your comment. Thank you. May God bless you. Have a good day.